In this video, I'm going to walk and talk you through everything you need to know about the new Kajabi Communities feature. Now, if you haven't already heard, Kajabi do have a new feature. They've purchased or acquired Vibely, which was a community platform, to actually install and upgrade their own community function. And it's called Communities 2.0 or Kajabi Communities. And I'm going to walk and talk you through how to set one up, the features that you're going to need to understand in order to actually start, grow, and run your online communities. So you might have already started to grow your own community or following on any social platform like Instagram or TikTok, for example, but you might be trying to monetize it. You might be struggling to find a decent way of monetizing this platform. Well, Kajabi have the solution for you. Within the Communities 2.0 platform, it's a way of actually collecting emails, monetizing that platform, and growing a private ad-free community for your subscribers. So I'm just going to jump on over into my Kajabi account and show you what I would do if I was to start a Kajabi community from scratch. So here we are in my partners dashboard, and all you need to do in your own dashboard is navigate to products and then click all products. Or even go into the communities tab and just click get started. Now there's 4 main products that Kajabi offer today, which is a course, a podcast, community on coaching. I will be doing and have done videos on all of these. They are all monetizable, but today we're just going to look at the community. So some of the community functions, you have a live video, you are allowed video recordings, you have a post feed. There is a mobile app. This is probably one of the best features why Kajabi have actually acquired Vibely, and you've got a communities app that your students can actually download. You actually have meetups and challenges. So I'm just going to walk through the process of actually getting started here. So give my community a title. So I'm just going to call it Tim's Community. And then I'm just going to say test community. And then I'm going to click continue. Now you would probably have a ready-made thumbnail to actually with your branding and your logo, and have a think about what this community would offer in addition to any coaching or courses that you offer. But I'm going to skip the image now, and I'm just going to hit continue. And then you need to have an access group. Now the main thing to understand here is the access group is not your community. So Kajabi gives one community per account or per website, one community. And within that community, you can have separate access groups. For example, if I had one community, I could have a couple of access groups underneath. I could have maybe a free access group, which they'd get access to the community, but only at certain elements of the community. And then maybe a paid access group, which they'll have a full range of all access. So I'm just going to do test access. And then click continue. Now you can have either, like I said, a free or a paid version. I'm just going to skip this for now, but if you were to go through and monetize it, it would then create an offer for you, and then that offer would be linked to the product, which is the access group. So I'm going to skip that for now, and then just going to click save. So this is saving it for me now. Once that's done, it will actually introduce you to the new community settings. So here's every now and again, you get a bulletin from Kajabi with the updates. They're continually working on this product and they're updating it all the time. But then this is going to give you a wizard or a walkthrough access to community settings. That's how you get it. Create, which is a start button, and then there's different circles within each. And then to actually ask the community or ask community support anything, you just hit the email. Now to get back to, this is a separate platform. It is a Kajabi domain, but to get back to your Kajabi, you need to just click the back button, and then you'll get back into this product here. So I wanted to show you all products now. You're going to see a test access, which is the access group. So within your product library, this will use one product. If you think about the access group as a product, so if you have 2 access groups, that's using up 2 products in your entire website. So if you only have like 3 products, just be mindful of that. So you can actually edit the access group in this format here. You can go in, you can add the thumbnail, you can edit it, you can change the name of it. But then to go into the community itself, you just click on this little pop out here. So now Kajabi are actually giving me a bit of a startup wizard, so you can actually start a challenge and customize the community. So we've picked a name for it, start a challenge. Now these are basically a way of incentivizing engagement in your community, like gamification. And all it means is that the people in your community will then either do some tasks or take action, and they'll actually get an overall scoreboard at the end of it. So we're going to do a one-time challenge starting today, and they're going to have to do it within 14 days, and the challenge will be under a new series of challenges. So we're just going to click next. And then you're going to select a thumbnail or a description. You can obviously edit these, but I'm going to try move your body. And then you can have a title, description, however you want to engage with your students. And then here you can actually, if you have multiple access groups, you could give this challenge to a certain access group or all of your access groups. So I'm just going to have, I've only got one access group at the moment, so test access, and then click next. Again, you've got the chance to actually make this your own, so upload a video or pick a random video, and then you can preview to see how it looks. I'm just going to click save just for the benefit of this walkthrough, and then it's just going to save that challenge. I'm going to go on to that in a minute. Customize the community. I'm going to go into customizing the community, and to actually get to this, you can actually click on this little gear icon, and then you're going to go into the customization of this community. Now you're going to get everything from add community members, host exciting activities, ignite intimate conversations, the details that you've got through this community. You can edit the URL, you can add some social links to your community, or you can create some guidelines. Email notifications, this is for you. Again, uploading a brand logo, choosing some brand colors, and then just identify font colors or when you actually get emails or send emails out to anyone. And then you can have marketing contacts, so pretty similar to what you have with inside your own Kajabi. Down to customization, again, this is allow direct messages to founder, on or off. Live rooms always open to join, on or off. Member directories are visible, on or off. So basically, if you've got 100 people in there, you want them to connect with each other, you can either turn that on or off. And then show community leaders. So again, if you're having some sort of leaderboard. Challenges, this is the one, move your body, that I've just set up. You can edit this if you want, or you can duplicate it, or you can make a new challenge, and then it's just going to appear in their settings and they can actually go into the challenge. Meetup, this is basically like a Zoom room, if you think about it, like a Zoom room. Kajabi have got their own Zoom functionality. You can create a new meetup and actually invite them to a call. Circles, these are the little chat groups in the bottom left hand corner. Again, on mobile it's slightly different, but you can invite different access groups to different circles. Circles are just like a little a chat function that they can actually engage with each other in like a post, like a Facebook group forum, or in like a chat forum. Announcements, similar to like the product within Kajabi, like the courseware, you can add a new announcement. It'll just make sure that everyone that has this community gets that announcement, because it's similar to a broadcast, but obviously broadcasting, if anyone's opted out of marketing emails, they won't get that broadcast. And then navigation menu. So this is really key here. You've got 3 sort of feeds. You can add a page here as well. So if you were to wanting, so you can actually hide or show a page, you can edit a page, or you can add a page. So if you had some sort of welcome page, what you would do is build that page just out in your own Kajabi, and then you actually, if it's like a resource page or a welcome page, just put the title in here and then embed the link. So inside your website, if you click on the website tab and then click on pages, add a new page, you can have a nice welcome page with some of the community rules and regulations in here, and then just link it here. And then you could probably make this your primary page. So people will actually, when they sign into your community, they will see this primary page. And then for you to get support, it's just get support. So back to the community, I would always try and put a logo and image of what this community is all about, and then create a post. So here are the feeds, the challenges, and the meetups. So when you create a live room, this is just a meetup. Kajabi have basically got the integrated Zoom function here. The little plus button here, you can either start a challenge, add another circle. Let's just add another circle. So circle 2, have a chat. And then, like I said, you can either have it as the feed or the chat function. and then you can either have it public or private. So public to everyone who has it, or private for only a certain number of access groups. You might have a community with multiple access groups, but just remember each access group counts to one product in your product library. So the circles are down here. So we've got a Q&A, so a general Q&A, circle 2, however you want to do this. I would probably recommend having a circle for like share your wins, having a circle for general chit chat Q&A, and then maybe having another circle for people to welcome into your community, so an introduction circle. Another plus here, so we can add an announcement. This announcement would just go out to everyone, like I said, and if you wanted to host a meetup, you can just add it here. So just go into here and then add meetup. Any chats will be direct messages in this area here, and then you can actually test your notifications and then click on your account settings here. So you can actually set your profile to how you want to be seen in the community, and likewise your students or your network can actually do the same. But this is pretty much it. Just remember that these 3 tabs at the top, this is like the main feed. If you were to add another landing page, you could actually welcome and introduce them, and then they have the challenges and then the meetups. So that's pretty much your overall community. To get back to your main Kajabi, just click back, and this is how you actually edit the access group, and you can see actually who is in your community. So that is a quick whistle-stop tour on everything around the new community function. Like I said, Kajabi have acquired Vibely, and there's tons of functionalities being upgraded all the time, but hopefully that helps you get started and you can get up and running your own community in a matter of minutes. So that's it. There is a reason why Kajabi, a valuated $2 billion platform, have actually pumped so much money into the community product, because they realize that community is key. In this growing online age, community is where it's at, whether it be online or offline, but the majority being offline. I think a good healthy blend is key. But just remember, if you are growing your own community on a social platform, you don't have actual full control, and you don't have great ways of monetizing that platform. But with Kajabi Communities 2.0, that you do. And if you've been following any of my content for any length of time now, you will know that I am a Kajabi fan. I am a Kajabi partner, and I can actually get you, if you wanted to test out this platform, I can get you a 30-day free trial. That's over double the 14-day free trial open to the public. Head over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi to see what I offer by using my affiliate link. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but if you do decide to test it out for 30 days for free, I will grant you a mini course that I've put together called Kajabi Unboxed. It's what I would do if I was to start my Kajabi account tomorrow, to actually do 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th to actually set up for scale. And if you do love Kajabi like I do and become a paying member of Kajabi, I will then grant you another bonus. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you a sales page template blueprint. It's actually just another mini course that you can actually download themes and then upload them into your Kajabi. So download themes from the product or the course itself and upload them, like for your sales page themes, to actually get started. It's the sales page themes that I use for this business, and you can have them for yourself. So hopefully you found value in this video. I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.